What up? What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another food review. So, as you guys know, well, some of y'all know, my mom and I like to bake. And today, my mom made something without me knowing, because she surprised me with it. I absolutely love mud pies. And, well, I don't know if you can tell, but my mom made mud pies for tonight. This is gonna be good. Oh man. Mint chocolate chip mud pies. Hot dang. That is good. So yeah, today was a really good day for me. Obviously, I'm eating one of my favorite desserts, but that's not why it was a good day. I worked on a little bit of my creative. I worked on a little bit of creative writing with some music and some hell, even actually on my creative writing I worked. Dang. This mud pie is actually falling apart, but man is it tasty. But yeah, I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all. Have a good evening.